hit by a car that was coming up from a stop sign, don't simply assume that because the other driver was pulling out from a stop sign, that other driver is going to be 100% responsible for your injuries. There's a number of factors that need to be looked at if you're going to be able to prove that other driver was 100% responsible. There's issues of speed, there's issues of which lane you were in, there's all kinds of different things that need to be looked at in order to properly prove that that other driver was 100% responsible for this stop sign crash you were involved in. Interested in talking about those details? Interested in talking about your stop sign crash? Give me a call at Macomb Whitton. I'm Jeff Whitten.